Yo, Shaggy. Yo, Cuz. Family. Yo, Unrulers. Amazing.
Gang, it's a girl Lisa, right? We have Auntie Stacy here washing dishes for Thanksgiving. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving to all you guys who watch us and subscribe. But yeah, she's cooking some oxtail.
Grandma frying chicken. Go do grandma. Grandma making chicken.
Oh yeah, my grandma's making chicken outside. So okay, now so grandma's cooking some fried chicken right now. Yeah. Our YouTube channel, DSC Gang. Our YouTube channel. So yeah.
So we're getting ready for my uncle's favorite holiday.
Actually, stop doing that.
It is.
I have to show you
Fruit punch.
some good fruit punch.
And we are about to get ready to start the carrot juice.
Smells good.
It's gonna be so good, right?
Yeah, and we're also gonna have some bananas.
Banana. To help do anything.
I know, right? I'm helping. Vlogging is helping. Oh yeah, my.
Vlogging is helping. Of course, right?
Yeah, but don't worry about my hair. I know it's messy.
I know. Are you still in your nightgown?
As usual.
As usual. That's all she wears in the house.
You guys can guess when I come home from school, I wear my nightie too.
24/7. She'll be in her nightgown. Alright?
Yep. Yeah, and we also made some eggs and bacon for breakfast.
Oh yeah, that was good.
That was very good. Hi. Auntie, what is wrong with you?
Nisi?
Yes, Gideon. You're not gonna do that on vlog, okay?
Not gonna do what on the vlog?
Nisi?
She said, Nisi. Hi, Nisi.
I'm literally right here.
Like I'm right here. Hello. I wonder what Auntie Pansy's making. Oh, she's doing her famous rice and peas.
Now everybody wants.
And her famous curry goat.
Why does my hair look like that?
And her oven chicken, of course. Oh, I think Nikki's making my favorite. Ha! Nikki's definitely making my sweet potato castor oil. Oh my God. And of course, my Uncle Leslie is doing my other favorite that I look forward to every year, the ham. That's my favorite. Sweet potato casserole and the ham. I will show you guys later on my plate. Mr. Ray,
No, come on, come on.
what did Kamal make for breakfast? No, Kamal did what you call it yesterday.
Nothing.
No,
Oh, he made drops.
he made drops yesterday. They were so good.
So here's some drops my uncle made. Drops.
Yeah,
That's what we
drops.
say.
Drop. Jamaican drops.
Yeah, Jamaican drops.
Yeah.
Here's a look closer.
It's so good, right?
Yeah.
Lisa Ray requested and she got it. She's a spoiled brat.
Ah, no, I'm not. You guys do not listen to her, okay?
You are a spoiled brat.
Don't listen to none of
Everybody
that.
know.
She
Everybody
requested drops and she got her drops.
My Bessie don't know, period.
She's a man.
And she a bad too.
Your bestie?
Okay.
Who your bestie?
So Brooklyn, Jayla, I have a whole bunch of besties. So you don't got none either. So I don't have one of my bestie numbers. Okay. DFC gang, I'ma see you in Thanksgiving party. Peace.
What is up, DFC gang? It's your girl, Kaden, and today is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. Say hi to Scafty Band 10.
Oh, and I deal with it. I do Thanksgiving, me a Rasta.
And today we're starting the well, not the preparations, but preparation for food.
Ma'am?
He's cutting out the fish.
No, cut up
I
nothing.
mean, not cutting it.
Clean me, I
Scaling
clean
it,
fish.
and he's cleaning it in here.
Gonna put me to work.
Yeah.
Could I work as that?
Okay, you know, you good for the fish.
Good for the what?
Fish.
Why fish?
You know,
Citizens of the sea.
my breakfast. I don't know if this is helpful or not, but it's my breakfast. So, yeah.
That's the goal. Putting the chicken into the oven.
Your season
And
already.
the rice is in the pot. Y'all look at my family, y'all. That's not even half a bus. That's not even half a bus. Look at it. Look at it. You see my family.
Here's the food, and I'll go around and show you what you
Thanksgiving settings, me a Rasta. Youngins them they both. Grandma say hi. Grandma not take me not talk today. See where Kizzy are going on. I go on with a kiss. Uncle Owen give me a nice thumbs up here. She made her eat till she bust already. Small man, you know, say I heard that thing I too. Mouth full. Oh, leave that thing I go on here, sir. Yes, you say a thing or two. Oh, you mean?
Listen, let's stop coming from Thanksgiving, you know?
Yeah.
My favorite.
Yeah, as always. Joby can't say nothing for him mouth full. Say something, Joby, man. I'm married. Auntie Rose, what go on? See me rich, see there? Rotten, real rich. No, you. Wow, you're rich. Auntie K, step up in that crib, yeah? I'm going over here, sir. Why, yeah? Uncle Ash, what go on? Which is right. Where's your mommy? Oh, my little thing this over here, sir. Oh, my.
You look rich, you know?
Them in my food not rich, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, my. What is? I don't know them domestic animals. There's a turkey, fried chicken, another chicken I do one place there, fish and ray. Oh, that brother. Look like a goat. Citizens of the sea. Different little product, yeah. What's up, mama? Eh? I mean, I reckon. Of course, you just turn off, you know, see no bag on a while ago. More food up on the block. Anyway, I'm going to feed my face.
What up, do? DFCK. Happy Thanksgiving. It's your girl, Katie. And today, we had the biggest dinner ever. The game.
I'm on the camera?
Yeah.
Hello. Gang, gang, gang.
Grandma.
I was not. Oh, wait, she took it off me.
Grandma.
No, man, not grandma.
Patty.
Whatever, it's their turn.
Stacy. Hi, guys.
Back to Shamir.
Back to Shamir.
And it's Shamir back on the DFC game TV.
Back, guys. We're gonna ask them what they're thankful for. Oh my God, this is Ashley. So Ashley, what are you thankful for?
Let me tell you what I'm thankful for. See all of this? Thankful for all of that. There you go.
Guys, this is Ashley. So Ashley, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for having a wonderful family that treats me right and we can spend time with.
Guys, this is Chris. And Chris, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for you and my entire family and just to be alive.
Hey guys, this is Natasha.
Keisha.
Totally. Okay, so Keisha, what are you thankful for?
I am thankful that I'm alive. I'm thankful that I have air in my lungs. I'm thankful for my daughter and my family, for being here. Every day is a blessing. Every day is a gift. And we live in abundance. We have all the food and the friends and money, and we're good. So I'm thankful for everything.
Aww. So
What's up, gang gang?
what are you thankful for?
I am thankful for life, family, friends. I'm thankful that I'm alive. I'm thankful that I'm in good health.
Hey guys, this is Uncle Owen. And we're gonna ask him what he's thankful for.
Ask the question, I got the answer.
What are you thankful for?
What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my grandma, because she was the first one. Thank you for the rest of my family. Thank you for allowing me to be here in Florida. Thank you for life and family. That's it.
Auntie Deborah. So, Auntie Deborah, what are you thankful for?
I am thankful for family and friends and good health.
Oh, I can't get tough up for you, face, mother. Stay, Lisa, eat our food, Lisa.
Ready? Roll up an hour. Strip on an hour now, make a wrong turn. Berry treasure, only they got any weather. Berry treasure, pick it up on any leather.
Yeah, I do miss the black out. Yeah, na, I'm going
Top class, I'm full of sauce. I'm only to kick in the green like grass. One pass can up the drop tops and I lead them the line dance. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. You know my cheese and my jeans so saucy. Every kick to my beat so saucy.
And I hope you guys enjoy the Thanksgiving vlog. Whoa. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And most definitely share. And have a blessed day.